Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title of this video, I will be showing you how to create this cute girly YouTube thumbnail using Canva. It is Barbie inspired. You can see it from the pink aesthetic, and that's just because the Barbie movie just premiered, so why not? The platform that I will be using is called Canva. So if you're not familiar with Canva, it is a design tool that allows you to design a wide range of content. Now, when you enter Canva, this is what your main screen would look like, or your dashboard. The first thing you're going to do is go to this search bar right here and search for YouTube thumbnail. This will prompt you to a bunch of YouTube templates, and what you're able to do is customize and tailor these thumbnail templates to your YouTube channel. Pretty cool, right? However, please bear in mind that if you see a crown on anything in Canva, that means it's premium and you would need the premium version of Canva. But don't worry, you can make a bunch of your YouTube thumbnails just on the free plan, because as you can see, this is free, this is free, these are free. Just scroll through, just peruse, and you should find a template that suits your channel. However, we will be creating today's YouTube thumbnail from scratch. I create all of my designs from scratch because I really enjoy designing and I really like sharing these things with you guys. So let's begin. So the first thing we're going to do is create a blank YouTube thumbnail, and this is what your design space will look like. The first thing we're going to do is upload some images. To upload images, all you have to do is go to your left and locate uploads, select uploads and select upload files, and this should give Canva access to your design, and you select your desired images that you want to add to your thumbnail. Now, just a tip: if you're going to use images of yourself, ensure that they are some good quality image. They don't have to be the best images, but ensure the quality is good enough where they can be seen or they are viewable on any device that a potential viewer might be using to watch YouTube on. Your thumbnail is a hook. Your thumbnail is a sneak peek or a teaser, or you need a thumbnail to be attractive enough where persons want to click on your videos. Now let's begin. So once you've uploaded your photos into Canva, you're going to add them one at a time to your design space. So I'm going to add this one first. I'm just going to pull on the corners to extend it a little bit, and I'm going to crop it a little bit and pull it over to the edge like that. I'm also going to add a filter. So I'm going to select the photo and I'm going to go to edit photo, and I'm going to scroll until I find filters, and I'm going to select the fresco filter, and I'm going to reduce the intensity of the filter a bit. So I think this should work. This is fine. Then I'm going to add our other images. I'm going to add this and this. So I'm going to crop the nail photo a little bit. I'm going to increase the size a little bit. I'm going to put it here. Then we're going to add this. We're going to increase the size a little bit. I'm going to select it. So you realize that the picture of the roses, it's kind of overlapping our image with our nail. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the image, we're going to select position, and we're going to put this backward. Awesome. The last image that I will be adding is this image, and I'm going to crop this a little bit, and I'm going to increase the size like that. Now, if you realize this image is a bit darker than the other images, what we can do in Canva is we can select the image, go to edit photo, go to adjust, and we can increase the brightness to our desired brightness. So this can be at about, you could put it at 100, but probably can leave it at 60. It's not bad at 60. So we're going to put it at 60. Then we're going to select this and we're going to reduce the brightness a little bit, because we're going to put some text over that section and it might be a bit too bright where the text might not be as visible. So I'm going to decrease the brightness a little bit. I might decrease the brightness on this a little as well, not a lot, like so. Now we're going to add some text. So to add text, you can go to text on your left and select add text box, or you can select T on your keyboard and a text box will appear. So I'm just going to type. I'm going to increase this a little bit. I'm going to go to this box right here and select the arrow, and I'm going to change the font to this font called Tan Egan. As you realize, it has a crown beside it, so this means that it is a pro font because I do have Canva Pro. However, there are a lot of different fonts that you can play around with. So for example, Tan Pearl is free, that's cute. Tan Moonlight is free, that's cute. So if you scroll down, as you see, there are a lot of free fonts in Canva. So I'm just going to select the Tan Egan font that I used for this design, and I'm going to change the color to a pink. So if you look closely, you see a bunch of colors. What Canva does is once you add a photo to your design page, it automatically generates the color palette from that photo, so you can use any of the colors from the photos. It also has some default colors that you can choose from, but it also has the option for you to add any new color that you want. So you can just go there, and if you know the specific color code for a color, all you have to do is insert it here, and that's what I am going to do. So we will be using this shade of pink. Now, if you look closely, you realize that, well, you don't have to look closely, it's obvious. You realize that the text does not go well with the background. So what we're going to do is we're going to select this. We're going to go to spacing. I'm going to decrease the spacing a little bit. Then we're going to go to effects and we're going to select outline. We're going to select this box right here to change the color, and we're going to put this in white, and we're going to expand it a little bit, and we're going to position it in the center and in the middle of our design. Now we're going to add just a little context of what the video is about or what to expect in the video. This is what I have. Date night self-care outfit check. So I'm going to change the font. So first I'm going to select the text, and I'm going to select the uppercase icon, and I'm going to change the font. I'll be using a Monster Art font, and it is free. Then I'm going to select this little arrow to access the different styles that the font comes in, and I'm going to use the medium, and I'm going to decrease the size of this a little bit, and I'm going to increase the spacing. Still going to decrease the size a little bit. We're going to select it, and we're going to go to effects, and we're going to select neon effect, and we're going to turn this down to 1. And this is what our design looks like. Pretty awesome, right? Pretty awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow. If please comment down below. I don't have any issues doing a different one. So until next time, stay safe and stay blessed.